Good morning from Chicago. Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, September 16th. Well, the market finished positive again on Friday. Even the S&P was up 350, 1682 for a 0.25% jump to tack on us some gains for the week. The even S&P added 2% on a weekly basis to continue to push higher. The Dow was up 3% on the week, continuing to lead across the board. 15,311 was a close in the Dow futures. That was up 70 on Friday. The Nasdaq added a few points at 3171, up 2 to trail behind as far as the indexes go. The dollar index continuing to drift lower, giving some support to asset classes, pushing down to the monthly lows right now. 81.34 was a close down 29. That pushed the euro currency back above the 133 level. 133.10 was a close up 20 ticks. Bonds were up 5, 129.26, and we had crude oil off 39 cents at 108.21. Only had a $1.50 range on Friday as crude oil tries to sort itself out. The gold market continued lower, even though the dollar is, like we said, at month lows. Gold was under pressure on Friday, $13.09, down $22, and lost $78 on the week last week. So after the positive bounce against Friday and that record streak that we had going with 7 consecutive up days in the stock market, where do the markets stand on this Monday morning to start a new day and a new week? Well, the bulls are definitely in control. We're up big. We're making new highs in the E-mini S&P and in the Nasdaq as we stand right now. We're at up 18 right now at 1,700 in the December S&P futures right now. 1,703 3/4 was the high, so we're up more than 1% this morning, taking out those August 2nd highs as it stands right now. Dow futures 15,476, up 165. They were up as much as 250 points last night, and they have backed off a little bit. The Nasdaq still real strong, up 33.5 at 3205 as we stand right now. We've got the euro currency up 37, 133.47, and we talked about the dollar index pushing this 81 level. See if you can break down below that 81 level. And then below that, we've got that 6-month support at just about 80.80. Bond market up 1 full point with stocks rallying here. We're at 130.24. The yield on the 30-year Treasury has declined. It's back down to 3.81%, and that's pushed the yield on the watched 10-year note to 2.81% when just a couple weeks ago we were talking about pushing above 3%. That hasn't happened. Crude oil's down $1.40 right now at 106.15. Crude oil did lose $2 on the week last week, but not a whole lot of unwinding considering that we're getting a little bit more stability on that Middle East situation. And lastly, we've got gold. Gold is back up $8 at 13.17. 1300 seems to be a key support point. That was a breakout here weeks past, and we'll see if that can hold on the downside. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. It's bull, bull, bull. The market's making new highs. E-mini S&P at 1,700, up 18 points, which is 1%. Dow futures up 165 at 15,476. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.